Hey guys, today me try understand day trading and me already feel brain melt. Right now, me sit in cave with glowing rectangle, scream at red line go down while pot of mammoth stew bubble over in corner. Me throw bone at screen, but line still red. Wife yell, why you burn soup for stupid number stick? Me try buy stock, me think it like shiny rock. Me click button number go up, me happy. Then number fall faster than cousin erg off cliff. Me not happy, me cry, me punch rock, rock win. If you no learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit, holding empty bag of imaginary coins. Tribe will not respect you, even geese will mock you. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell Caveman in comments where your cave, what moon time. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. So first, what even is day trading? Caveman thought it mean trading things during the day. Simple, like me give fish, you give berries. Just do it when sun up, not moon time. Easy. But no, not easy. Cousin Blork say day trading is buy low, sell high, sounds smart. So me go out, buy small rock, then try sell big rock for more shiny shells. Nobody buy. Me confused, me angry. Then younger tribe member with rectangle stick say, no, Uncle Gorg, day trading not about real rocks. It about fake rock called stock. You buy piece of company like banana seller cave. You sell fast when number go up. All happen inside glowing rectangle. Cavemen say, so invisible rock? He nod, me try understand. So instead of hunting mammoth, we now hunt numbers? Instead of feast, we celebrate green squiggle, confusion strong. He say, yes, uncle, and if you good, you make big profit in one day. Me ask, what if bad? He say, you lose all, go cry in river. Me no like river, me no like crying, but me like shiny rocks. So, me try, spoiler it not go good. Soon, whole tribe go crazy with this day trading. Cave no longer quiet in morning. Instead of making fire or sharpening spears, tribe members stare at glowing rectangles. Everyone whisper strange words, pump, dump, volume, short squeeze. Even small child try sell squirrel meat on something called Robin Hood. One youngling shout, stonks only go up! Caveman ask, what is stonks? He say it mean magic, Uncle Gorg. Me nod like me understand, me do not. Elders stop teaching spear balance, now they draw lines on paper, call it technical analysis. One elder say, this pattern called bear flag. Cavemen say, bear have flag? Since when? Wife no cook stew anymore. She in corner with two screens open yelling, sell the rip, buy the dip. Caveman thought she'd get possessed by forest spirit. Even dogs stop barking. Dog now watch crypto chart. Tribe say day trading is new hunting. Fast riches, no mammoth chase, just click, click, click. Money fall from sky like bird poop, but something feel wrong. Tribe look rich but act crazy. No sleep, no eat, just FOMO. Cavemen begin to wonder, if this new magic bring riches, why everyone still live in same stinky cave? So one day Caveman Gorg decide, enough watch, me trade now. Me take all shiny rocks from secret hidey hole. Open magic account on shiny screen, me pick stock called Banana Tech. Seems safe, who know like banana. But rival tribe member, suspicious man from 10 of crypto, say Banana Tech go down, sell now, buy magic coin instead, it moon soon. Me trust him. He wear necklace of fake teeth, look powerful. So me sell Banana Tech, me take all shiny rocks and buy magic coin. Next day, Banana Tech double, tribe celebrate, even chief dance in river. Magic coin, it crash, hard. Not soft crash, big boom crash, zero crash. Cavemen lose everything. Me sit in cave, fire gone out, no stew, no hope, just me, empty shell, and very angry wife holding ladle like weapon. Wife say, you sell food stock for invisible monkey coin, you brainless fungus? Me say nothing, just stare at broken club on floor and think, maybe me not traitor, maybe me just idiot with Wi-Fi. Tribe now laugh behind back. Gorg try to trade, now he pour like tree frog. Worst part, me panic sell magic coin before it bounce. Me not even wait. Me chase squirrel instead of wait for mammoth. Big mistake. Painful moon. After big loss, Caveman Gorg wanders into the woods. No stew, no shiny rocks, just sadness and angry goose bites. There, he meets a wise elder named Mukhtar. He doesn't trade stocks, he trades wisdom. He sits on moss, drawing animal tracks in dirt. Mukhtar says, "You know trade what you know understand, young boulder brain. You only hunt what you can track." Caveman scratches head, "But banana tech shiny everyone buy," he chuckles. "That not reason, that stampede. You ever chase mammoth just 'cause others run? No." Mukhtar continues, "You study tracks, you learn patterns, you hunt with knowledge." He pulls out an old parchment showing a chart of meat prices during cold season. Mukhtar explains, "Every winter price go up, every spring price fall." Gorg gasps like, "Predictable?" He nods, "You trade what you know." "Me trade mammoth jerky. You like tech, study tech. You build cave tools, trade cave tools. No follow hype beast eat fools." That day, Caveman Gorg learns first real trick. Trade what you understand. No more random magic coins, no more shiny distractions. Me now pick trades like hunter picks prey, with eyes open, club ready, and no trust for squirrel rumors. Even after me start trading only what me understand, like meat stock and fire rock company, me still lose shiny rocks sometimes. Why? Because me greedy caveman. Me hold too long, me think it bounce soon, me sure, but no bounce, only fall, deep fall, bottomless pitfall. Like falling into ex-wife's cave of complaints. Then one day, fancy caveman from big tower in city comes to visit tribe. He wears square shoes and talks fast like a squirrel with espresso. He says, "You still trading without stop loss?" Me say, "What that? Is it trap?" He laughs, No, stop loss is invisible line. When stock go bad, it sell itself and save what's left of your shiny rocks, like magical escape rope. Caveman nods, "So like if mammoth turn, me run?" He smiles, "Exactly, you know stand still and get stomped." He helps me set stop loss on next trade. Me buy Stonefire ink at 10 shiny rocks, set stop loss at 9. Guess what? Stonefire falls next day. Me not panic, me not cry. Stop loss kicks in, sell quick, me lose little, not everything. It feels like a small spear cut instead of a mammoth tusk through chest. Now caveman use stop loss every trade. No shame in escape, shame is in stubbornness. Even with smart picks and stop loss shield, cavemen still lose sometimes. Why? Because cavemen have big, messy, emotional brain. Like stew pot with no lid, boil over fast. One morning, me lose trade, only small loss, but me get angry, real angry, smash gourd, roar at squirrel, then me say, "Me make money back right now." Bad idea, me click fast, no plan, no thought, just rage, buy shiny rock, lose more, buy again, lose more, caveman spiral down like drunk vulture. Wife walk in, see caveman sweatin' on floor, she bonk me on head with ladle. She say, "You no hunt with rage, you hunt with stillness." Then she hand me leaf with wise words, emotion cloud vision, calm brain see better prey. So now cavemen meditate before trade, me light candle. Me breathe slow, me say, me no chase green line, me wait for setup. Also cavemen no trade when tired, hungry, or after fight with mother-in-law. Biggest lesson here. Trading while emotional like spear with bent tip, look strong but stab nothing. Cavemen now only trade when calm. Still scream sometimes, but scream with plan. After many moons, many mistakes, many bruises, cavemen finally understand true secret of day trading. It not fast click, it not magic coin, it not scream buy dip like wild beast, it patience. Cavemen remember old hunting days. Tribe no chase every squirrel in forest, tribe wait for mammoth, big prey, big reward. Slow, quiet, steady, that how you feed whole cave. But in trading, everyone chase squirrel, everyone want quick win, fast money, big spike. Cavemen used to be like that too. Eyes twitching, fingers shaking, heart racing with every tick of glowing rectangle. But now cavemen sit still, watch chart like hunter, watch trail, me wait for setup. Me wait for right moon, right candle, right signal. Sometimes me wait whole day. No trade, that okay. Wife say you no trade today? Caveman say no good pray, me no throw spear for fun. She nod, respect grow back, now me gain shiny rocks slowly, not every day, but steady. Like growing tree instead of chasing wind. Caveman no rich, but caveman no scared either. Because now cavemen trade with wisdom. Real wisdom not in number, it in discipline. And in knowing when to close screen and go touch grass. So now Caveman Gorg look back and laugh. Me thought day trading was magic rock machine. Me thought me press button and shiny rainfall from sky, but no. Day trading like hunting spirit beast. It fast, it wild, it smell fear. If you chase it without plan, it vanish and steal your pants. Me learn this the hard way. Don't trade what you don't understand. Always protect shiny rocks with stop loss. And never ever trade when brain full of fire. Also, wife important. She bonk you when needed. Now Caveman Gorg no scream at screen. Me no sweat into stew. Me even have chart wall now. Me use highlighters. Me wear blue light glasses. Caveman look professional almost. So if you watching and feel like dumb rock, me say this. You no dumb, you just early. Even smart cave brains mess up. Trick is to not give up. Learn, adapt, protect tribe, and never trust man with crypto necklace and no shirt. Before you go chase your own mammoth, smash like button with strong finger. Hit magic scribe stick so you not miss next cave rant, and tell Caveman in comments what big mistake you make in trade. Caveman not judge, caveman hug. Now go rest brain, you survive another firelight. Ooga booga.